our own self-interest. We have an opportunity to bring about some profound transformation in our industry and skills training and in other areas. But we won't be able to do that if we're not able to find new ways to collaborate. I had the chance to go with Minister Jason Kenney to Germany in March, where there's a remarkable amount of collaboration between labor and employers and between different industries and different employer groups. And because of that collaboration, they were able to innovate in really transformative ways. We have to do the same thing here. We have to find a way in Ontario to break down some of the silos that exist here and find some common ground. Otherwise, we're going to be left behind.
We have a governance system in Canada where there's a federal level, a provincial level, and of course local levels of government. And trying to align those different perspectives, I think, is quite challenging and difficult. We definitely need more evidence-based approaches so we can bring those different groups around the table with those in the construction sector so we can work in a more strategic way. I think we all know that infrastructure is important to the economy and to the future of our society, but with limited resources, limited funding, we need to find better ways that we're going to build infrastructure that's going to make a difference to future Canadians.
And what I think we need to do in the future going forward is that the construction industry and the government has to come together on talking about the same things we've been talking about for the last 10 years. Risk transfer and the way documents are written, and the whole concept of poor specifications. When you're talking about purchasing and you're talking about documents and the legalities going forward, you're seeing a lot of issues coming up that to me they don't seem they're not new issues, but they're not being resolved.